internet app, and you get a page like this. So then what you have to do after going inside the app, you get like this, all those things, and here you get all the intros and outro. Even outros you get, and glitches too. So let's try to make something new like glitches. Oh, for plus size glitches you have to buy and upgrade it. So others are there like this glitches, this one, and let us try with this. Actually I already could see the title goes like this, and this title here you can change the font. First add your channel name, Smart Tech. So after adding a channel name, you can change the font if you want. I choose this one, it's good. Then here you have to add music. Music in sense, go to cinematic and add something else here like this. So like this. Or this one. Or this one. So let me choose the color slide, and you can change the timings by here. And put a tick here and highlight. You can add stickers too, like many are here. You can add, and text also is there like this. You can add. Let me add this one. I think it took 12. So you could see it's downloading here. So it may take some time for downloading here. And let me use this like this. And let me see how it works. Let me put it in here. Let me add it to full like this. You can change the duration too. So that's all. Text. You can add. Many more things are there actually in this. So that's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, and you can see the outro also here. If you want, you can use this. So thanks for watching. When next video, signing up soon to my tech.